Hi and hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm glad that you are going to explore another place or another tourist spot with me, which is called the Pebble Pond. Well, this is the Pebble Pond is quite famous amongst the youth of Goa. Well, there is nothing to rave about the Pebble Pond, as you can see, but if one is interested to explore Goa, then this place one should visit, but at your own risk. Well, the place is ideal mainly for the youth. I'm repeating that once again. The distance from the main road is hardly 4 to 5 minutes walk through the evergreen forest. One might find a different variety of species and cobwebs and also colorful butterflies on your way. When it rains, the area around gets mucky or muddy, and hence the water was yellow or brownish in color when we had visited there. Well, the location, it is right on the highway of Mollem Road NH 748, which is via MRF Tire Factory. There is no proper landmark to mention, hence one needs to follow the map and the video which I am showing you right now. So please watch it until the end. Another landmark to remember is once walking through the dense forest down towards the western side, you got to locate the coconut leaf hut. The Mollem stretch is the only access to follow or to arrive at Pebble Pond. Keep in mind that the area belongs to Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, and hence entering into the barricaded area is highly not permitted. Well friends, thank you for watching my video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel because you are going to explore more places in Goa. Take care until I see you with another video. Bye bye.